Do you remember your color separation? Remember your primary, your secondary colors? Remember that your yellow is actually from green and red. You remember that? Now that means if I have a particular yellow object, you know, since green and red produces yellow, if I have a yellow object placed through, let's say, a green light, what would you see? Green. The object will appear green, right? Of course, because it is reflecting green, as green is part of the color. Of course, if I also have a yellow object that is placed, let's say, before a red object, a red light, now what will happen? Of course, it will reflect red, because red is part of the colors that gave rise to what? To yellow. But the question now is not on red and green. They said if I have a yellow card that is observed through what? A blue glass. This time, remember, if it were a red glass, I said it would have shown red. If it were a green glass, it would have what? Shown green, because that is what it's reflecting, since those two colors make up yellow. But this time, blue has no bearing with yellow. It's not part of the colors that what? That forms yellow. So if I have a yellow card that is observed through a blue glass, what will happen? How would you see the card? Since the card is not going to reflect blue, what would you see? You will see it as black. So the answer to that question is black.